I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Tuesday, and these are your announcements. Prom money for seniors and juniors is due no later than Friday, March 30th. Prom is Saturday, April 28th. Anyone interested in driver's ed, see Coach Reeves in the field house. And DHS seniors who plan on attending a four-year university, if you would like to apply for Avid's Be the Change scholarships, get those applications from Miss Russell's room or the first floor office, and those applications are due April 5th. Cheer and mascot sign-ups are in the first floor office, and there will be a parent meeting on Monday. The PAVE class will be selling white chocolate-covered popcorn for Valentine's Day. Please stop by Coach Mayfield's room to pre-order for $1. And these love bugs will be available to purchase from Miss Burdette today and tomorrow morning in the library. They come with chocolate. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon lights.
Eagles basketball here against Sanger. Varsity plays at 8. It's senior night. Show up and support. And then we got softball at Alvarado. JV plays at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7:30. And then soccer at Wichita Falls Hershey. Guys play at 5:30, girls play at 7:30. Baseball's tomorrow.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, it's okay to make false steps. Just use them as an opportunity to learn. And it's okay to hate failure. Just don't fear it. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Go USA.
Now to Alan, covering the Olympics.
Thank you, Logan. So now with the medal count, Norway leads in first with 11, Netherlands leads second in 10, and Canada with 10, Germany with 9, and US in fifth with 6. So now we are PF Chang, Charlie, and Cody.
Action.
Reporting live from Pyeongchang, it's Chuck
And Cody.
No fewer than 8 Olympic champions will be crowned during the course of the day. In the men's combined in alpine skiing, the men's and women's sprint classic in cross-country skiing, the women's snowboard halfpipe, the women's 500-meter short track, the men's 1,500-meter in speed skating, the all-new curling mixed doubles event, and the women's luge singles.
Congratulations to Chloe Kim for securing the gold in the snowboard and halfpipe.
Now back to DHS News.
Have a great day.